Hey guys, you know how wars are usually serious? Well, wait till you hear about this one, the Great Emu War. Yeah, you heard that right, emu, not ammo. Back in 1932, Australia literally sent soldiers with machine guns to fight a bunch of giant birds. Thousands of emus were wrecking farms, so the army opened fire. But the emus? Too fast, too smart. They dodged every bullet. After wasting thousands of rounds, the army just gave up. The emus won. And if you think that was it, in 1859, a British settler shot one American pig. And the death of that one pig almost started a full-on international war. So yeah, politics? Still about as logical as that.